Hey, what's up, everyone? So, Bitcoin is having a huge green weekly candle, and Bitcoin now will have the opportunity to make hidden bullish divergence on this weekly close. This is a large enough green candle now where this right here could actually satisfy as bullish divergence. And we haven't seen any sort of bullish divergence since the FTX low, which I'm going to show you right here. The last time we had bullish divergence was right here. That was the last time. And of course, this would be hidden bullish divergence. Um, so we're going to see what happens on this weekly close. But this is currently shaping up to be just a massive green weekly candle right here. And this would be the hidden bullish divergence. I'll just circle this out too. This is just massive. And Bitcoin is also starting to reclaim the 10 SMA, which if you look, we were above the 10 SMA since we broke above it back in October, and we're currently back above it right now. Actually, it's around 66.4K, and we're at 66.7K. So if we can get a weekly close above the 10 SMA on the weekly time frame, it'd be massive. Every single time we've gone below it, we're in this uptrend. These were like buying opportunities right here, and then right here. And then we rode it up this whole time, and now we're about to reclaim it potentially. So we're going to watch this on the weekly close on Sunday. The stock market breaking a new all-time highs as well. This is the S&P 500. The NASDAQ breaking to all-time highs also on the weekly time frame. Dow Jones, same story probably, breaking all-time highs. And this, of course, goes on the fact that the M2 money supply is once again going up. And the M2 money supply was the main driver of all markets back in 2020. And we're seeing it again. We're seeing it, look at in gold. Gold's going for its highest weekly close ever. Silver just broke to new or 10-year highs. You're seeing this all across the board. Everything's breaking to all-time highs because the M2 money supply, which I believe I can show you right here as well. M2 money stock. This is basically starting to rally upward now. We're starting to see it, and we'll get an update. I believe the Fed updates this the first of every month. So if you look here, just specifically, if we zoom in a lot, this technically, right, is like a breakout. This is a breakout. You know, we came down from the top, which was only not even that much. Is like a 10% less than 10%, like a 5% correction. And actually about 10%. But now we're seeing this breakout. And when this updates next month on May 1st, I believe it would be, we'll get the April, I believe, data. This is the March. No, this is February. So this is the February data. So we'll get the March data next month. If this updates and this is broken higher, you're just going to see everything go up more than likely because the markets just followed the M2 money supply, and they did it in 2020, 2021, and they've been doing it for basically all of M2 money supply history. As long as this just keeps going up, it will just continue to go up. And logically too, this is going to, if this ends up breaking to all-time highs at some point over the next year or so, this should be like more exponential. Like you're seeing like the path get steeper or go up higher at a higher rate. Like especially here, we saw it go straight up, but the next leg up would be even more straight up than that. So we're just, this is Bitcoin back on the weekly. Just one last look. It's at 66.8K. This looks like a bull flag, obviously. So this is, I've been saying this the whole time. A consolidation in an uptrend leads to a continuation. And a lot of people got scared here. A lot of people got scared right here. A lot of people got scared last week down here. This just favors a continuation to the upside. And if you were to measure this, right? If you were to measure this as a bull flag, then the target would really be around 100K plus it would put it at. So yeah, we'll see how the weekly closes.